So you got yourself one of these nice old phister faucets here. Phister, fauset, whatever it is. You pull it down, rinse the sink out, and you do this. Obviously I got a problem. It's leaking right there at the end of the hose. We're gonna fix it easy, fast. Watch this. So the head just unscrews from the hose. Or this hose unscrews from the head, whatever. So it just screws off. Like that. Getting all the water, as much water as I can out of it. Anyway, now I go to the bottom. Oh, so underneath the sink, here's the hose. It's got the weight to keep it pulled back up into the faucet. If you got a phister, then you probably look something like this under here. This is your quick connect. You just push this green button and pull it out. Simple as that. You want to get a cup or a bowl or something to drain the water in. You need to hold your hose up as high as you can when you unscrew this, because some water is going to be left in here. As soon as you unscrew it, put your thumb over it and get your cup or bowl. Just let it drain in there. Now you can take your weight off. Next step, just go to the top, pull it out. Easy as that. Get your new hose, feed it in through the top. You can put your head back on. Screws right back on. I just get it hand tight. There's no need to use a tool on it. I've never had a problem with it coming loose or leaking around that part. Get back under here, grab the new hose. You can put your weight back on. Put that on first. Then you put your little quick connect back on, screw it back on. Again, it's got a rubber seal on it. It doesn't need to be crazy tight. Just get it tight as you can with your hand and you'll be good. And you just go back up here. You get back into that, push till it clicks, and you're good to go. Now we just gotta check it. Oh, look at that. No more getting sprayed in the face for me. So I hope you liked the video. Hope it helps you change out your hose on your pull down faucet. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one.